guys, it is another day here. I just got home from work. Stressful day today. Yeah, there was so a couple of weeks ago, I never said anything on camera, but a couple of weeks ago there was a shooting right outside of where I work, outside of the school. I was in the school, I was at work, and right outside, like you heard it in the wind, like it was right outside the window basically. The kids were outside, and there was a shooting, so we had to go into like a shelter-in-place lockdown because obviously we had to make sure that it was going to be safe and whatnot. So that was 2 weeks ago. Then today there was a shooting on the subways. There was a guy throwing smoke bombs on the subways and then just shooting at random people, and he's been on the loose basically all day. I haven't looked at the most recent update. I looked a few hours ago, and they've still been searching for him. He's just been hurting a bunch of random people and shooting at random people. So like, I'm feeling stressed. I got off the train finally, eventually. The trains were delayed, which that's a whole other thing I need to rant about, because when something happens, the whole like New York City subway system like falls apart. It doesn't matter if there's somebody on the loose running around shooting people, everything shuts down basically. Like everything's a mess. It doesn't matter if there's a snowstorm. It doesn't matter if there's just all of a sudden we get a bunch of rain and there's some flooding. Like everything shuts down. The subway systems are a mess. Like there needs to be better systems in place, because one thing should not affect the whole entire New York City system. Like that's just crazy, you know? So there needs to be a better system for that, but that's a whole other thing. So I'm just feeling like very, like I'm just feeling a lot of anxiety, going to work, not knowing what's gonna happen the next day. I just got home and I was just crying, so if I look like I was just crying, that's why. I was talking to Babe, I was like, you know, like what happens when we have kids one day? What happens if I don't come home one day because there was a shooting and now the kids don't have a mom? Ollie, what are you doing? What are you doing? I also didn't mention this, but I am dog sitting my sister's dog, and we've had him for a few days now. He's been doing really good. And he was so happy to see me when I got home, like all dogs are. It's just so nice. And he's been hanging out with my fiance all day because he obviously works from home. And I was watching the cameras and he just like follows him around every single place he went. But my fiance just left, so yeah. Ollie, what are you doing? Huh? Are you showing everybody how cute you lay down on the floor? Because it literally is the cutest thing ever, the way that you lay down on the floor with your legs out and everything. It's so cute. Yeah. So more work was getting done here today, like a skim coat of the concrete floor, so they could do laminate tomorrow. And you guys see all that dust? This was really bad yesterday because we had plastic up there. They took it down when they were also finishing. Yesterday they were doing painting and priming, and it was like a spray kind of thing. So everything got so dusty yesterday, and it got dusty again today, as you guys could see there. I don't know if you could see over there. It just looks gray. So I'm gonna take this guy for a walk, even though he's been like on 5 walks today. But guys, it is so beautiful outside today. It is over 70 degrees, so before it gets dark I want to enjoy some of that nice weather, and before it gets cooler. It's already a little later in the day. It's like 6:30, so I just want to enjoy it with what's left of daylight, and I'll have my vacuum run while I'm out for a walk with him, even though he's been on like 4 walks. But it's just such a beautiful day. Like, you gotta enjoy these moments, the little bit of joy that you could find in your daily life. Like, maybe that's what those people needed to do, that, or shooting other people. Maybe they just need to find some joy in life and not kill off the world. So yeah. just feeling anxiety. But I drove home today, guys. Well, I've been driving home, and these past couple of days, today's Tuesday, the past couple of days I've been driving myself to the train station because you can't really leave him by himself. He's in a new environment, and he doesn't have, obviously, my sister and my brother-in-law and Jaden, like, so he's in a new place with us here. So I don't want to like stress him out more if we leave him at the house. So we haven't done that. Like, my fiance just left now, but he waited for me to get home. So if there's somebody here with him, because even before, when my fiance like stepped outside just to throw something outside, he went crazy. Like, we have like a little barrier by the stairs so that he doesn't go downstairs, because there's nails down there, you know, the construction and everything, and there's like nails on the floor, and we put like a little like barrier so he doesn't go down there. Well, he jumped over it when my fiance went to just go throw out a box outside, and he was downstairs. So you don't want to leave him alone. It's new for him, it's scary for him, he's probably stressed as well because, you know, his normal family is not here. So I'm not trying to stress the poor guy out a little bit anymore, even though he's been doing really good. He's been really great. So anyway, so I've been driving myself to the train every morning. You guys know I was driving with my fiance before, just getting used to the car since it's a new car, but this week for him I've been driving myself. So my fiance is here with him in the morning, and so I was on my way back and I'm driving myself home, and it was such a beautiful day, and I'm like, you know, feeling all the stress and anxiety. I was like, I'm gonna open up my sunroof, and I learned how to open up my sunroof, so that was great. And I'm just driving home with my shades on, so that was really nice. That was a little bit of joy for that, and then I'll have a little bit of joy when I go outside to take him for a walk, right? Did you want to go for a walk? Yeah, your head perked up when I said that. Okay, all right, we're gonna go for a walk in a couple minutes. Ollie and I's walk was great. Are you drying off on the bed? On Tom's side of the bed. Until he jumped out of the bathtub. Because I always wash him afterwards. Are you drying off? Why are you so sweet? You're so cute. You know that? Can you stay like that? Stay. No, stay. Stay. I gotta get my phone. Stay. Stay. Alright, stay. Put your head down. Can you put your head down? Like you had before. I guess someone is just so tired from the walk. I FaceTimed my sister and he's just like a mush all over the bed. So that's fun, right? Right, you're a mush. We got your sleepies out. You got a nice treat. Yeah. Such a sweet boy. Such a sweet little baby. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. I love you. Oh. Yeah, I love you so much. I love you. Yeah. Little mush ball. So cute. So it's interesting because the way that I knew Ollie, like, he was always jumping, he's always like crazy, bouncing around and everything, and then like having him here this week, he's just like such a mush. He just wants all the love and attention and all the kisses. Like, you're such a mush, right? My Robrock just said something. I don't know if it's stuck or not. It's so dusty, so I needed to vacuum. Where is it? Let me find the vacuum. I heard it say something. Not in here. Maybe it got stuck on my carpet. I like to do that sometimes. Oh, I found it. Stuck on my carpet. Oh man. Okay guys, it is another day, and today we got some floors. So our floors are starting to get put in, at least in the kitchen. Not all the floors have arrived yet. Why can't this focus? Thank you. I don't think they look that dark. Babe thinks they look dark. I don't think so. Especially when you get to like the light. Like, watch from this angle. It doesn't look dark. I don't know, is this part just lighter than the rest of it? I don't know, guys. But I gotta figure out which paint color we're gonna do. And I don't know. We're between 1 and 4 in terms of those. Babe thinks it looks dark, so he wants number 1. And although I like 1, I feel like the floors are light and I kind of want 4. So I don't know. So we're trying to figure out next. But yeah, they don't have, they didn't have a lot of floors, so this is what we got for now. At least this is the kitchen part, so they can start putting in the kitchen, so that's good. Look guys, house update. I showed you guys the floors. We only have the floors in the kitchen, but there is a like pantry cabinet there. This is where the fridge is gonna go. We've got some cabinets up top, cabinet here, then countertop. This is dishwasher here, sink, more cabinets. We got those up top cabinets. This is where the vent is gonna go, like the hood, and a stove top, and then a double oven. And this is actually what they were working on. So the double oven is gonna have a cabinet up top, then you have the double oven and pull-out drawer on the bottom for like your pots and like your baking pans and things like that. So that's so awesome. I am so excited, guys. I'm gonna show you from another angle because my kitchen is coming along, even though it looks like a hot mess right now. But it's coming along. So excited. The best part is that not only do we have all these like pull-out drawers, which I'm afraid to open right now, I don't want to touch anything that's not done, but this one, I didn't know that these are slow closing. The cabinets up top are slow closing, guys. Like, what? That is so cool. I didn't know they even make slow closing cabinets. Oh, so awesome. So obviously still a work in progress. The guys will be back in a couple of days after Easter. Let me show you the island cabinets. So we did cabinets on, we're doing cabinets on both sides. And they're a gray color for the island. So I wanted the island a different color. It's gray. The countertops are gonna be all the same, but we did do cabinets for the island on both sides for extra storage space and whatnot. So I'm so excited. So Ollie went back home today, actually. My sister and John are back from Puerto Rico. They were here today. I didn't vlog, but I took a couple of videos and I'll throw that in here in a little bit. But I took a couple of videos because we got a grill as a housewarming gift and Babe really wanted to use it. So we had invited over my sister and John and Jaden for like a barbecue. We made some hamburgers and hot dogs and whatnot. She wanted to buy us breakfast and to bring breakfast here because then they were gonna pick up Ollie anyway. But we're like, just get them hamburgers or whatever then, and we're just gonna do the grill because Babe was really excited to use it. And so we had that. Ollie is gone now. He went back home. It's kind of quiet here now. It was nice having him. It was nice to have like somebody so happy to see you when you got home, all the cuddles in bed, and it was really nice. I love having a dog around. So that was really nice, and I got to see Jaden, and he's just growing so much, guys. Oh my goodness, he's growing so much. We took a nap with him, so while trying to get him to lay down, me and my sister were laying in bed with him, and we both fell asleep with him, and then like we woke up and like we snuck out of bed, but we both fell asleep. And my sister was telling me how cute it was that the way that he fell asleep, because he was like, his face was right in front of mine, like my head was this way, his face was facing me, and she said it was like really sweet and cute. I wish I had a photo, but I don't, but it's a memory I get to treasure. So yeah, that's basically the update. I feel like I've been working on this vlog like all week long, so it's just like piece by piece. I'll put it all together and you guys will see the final, but it was like my whole week of stuff from this vlog. So I thought I would get on here, tell you guys the update. I'll throw in those clips right now. We got a grill now, and Babe was so excited to grill some stuff up. So we got Paulina, John, and Jaden here. I think he just came back from Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico.
And they're gonna be taking Ollie back, but at least we're gonna enjoy some food, have some lunch together. Jaden, are the flowers beautiful? Beautiful. Are they beautiful? Look at the flower. Is it beautiful?
Sometimes the apple
It's beautiful, huh? Okay, so those are clips from my Instagram. I didn't save the video ahead of time, so you guys see like the tags and stuff of the people I tagged, but they're still cute. And that is everything, guys. So I'm actually gonna end this vlog so that I can start a new one in a couple of days. And get this one edited and up and running for you guys. So I hope everyone has a happy Easter, or had a happy Easter. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, so I hope you have a happy Easter or had a happy Easter. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog video. Okay, bye.